Welcome back to G Mercedes in Cedar City, Utah with this 1994 290 upgraded to turbo diesel. It's a rear two-door long wheelbase, so basically you have the same wheelbase as a four-door, regular four-door, but it's a two-door. So upgraded to turbo diesel on the original 290 engine, 2.9 liter 5-cylinder. It's a nut and bolt restoration, so we took the whole vehicle apart. The frame was powder coated, so sandblasted, zinc coated and powder coated, and that goes for practically all the black parts that you see on the vehicle, including the rims and the buckets under the seat and the dash, etc. So gorgeous condition. We tried to keep it as stock and utilitarian as we could. We added the AC. It has a 5-speed overdrive transmission, and it has the locking differential front and rear. So the engine 290 with a turbo, we increased the cooling capacity by a bigger water pump, smaller pulley, and also a bigger radiator for more cooling to the engine. The AC has a double van. Also your bumpers are sandblasted, zinc coated and powder coated. So absolutely gorgeous condition. Ready for the next 40 years. Your standard rims are your Turbo steel rims, 16-inch to 35/85/16 tires, which is possible because of the turbo upgrade and also the 5-speed. Your ring and pinion setting is 5.3. Gorgeous inside. All the seats and jump seats have new material. Everything is, of course, in a gorgeous condition. Your storage buckets under the seat, the jump seats, professional style ladder and roof rack, sliding windows on the side, on either side, also the insulation, everything is brand new. We used the polyurethane bushings all around, also for the frame, and also to raise the vehicle approximately 2 inch. Plastic tank, higher capacity, no rust. We still have to install the tow hitch, so it will have the 2-inch tow hitch. So normal heating system, absolutely perfect AC. Gorgeous headliner. You can tilt the seat forward to give better access to the rear seats. "12-volt system. Of course, no electronics. Mechanical pump, mechanical diesel pump. So you have no electronics to the engine. Complete repaint, of course. Original Mercedes color. So if you have any questions about this 1994 290 turbo diesel 5-speed overdrive transmission with AC and a rear 2-door long wheelbase configuration, then please do let me know. My phone number is 714-417-7320 or info@g-mercedes.com. Thank you again for watching. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.